Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So AMC, GME, BlackBerry, all the meme stocks, guys. So is it over? Is it dead? Will it come back? Is meme stocks here to stay? Let's go ahead and share my opinion on it, guys. Let you guys know if I think meme stocks will ever have a spark back in the community, the public interest, and will it go on a run again? And also, is it, here to stay or is it dead? So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. So let's see. So meme stocks, AMC, GME, as we all know, a crazy, historical moment has happened within the stock market. For the ones that know, for the ones that don't know, millions and millions upon retail investors stormed upon, came across the market during the times of COVID, lockdown. A lot of people becoming bored, not knowing what to do with themselves, getting free stimulus, free money from the government, not really having to work, now able to have a little cushion what they never had before, because being in a rat race, steady chasing their tail during COVID, a lot of people was able to be in a space to where they now had money to take a little risk on investing or to do something different to possibly bring them another source of income. And a lot of people took that advantage with the market. And a lot of people started to find out about it once GME GameStop started to gain traction and went from $19, $15 level all the way to $400 per share. That caused, that came and took the world by storm. Everybody was talking about it. Everybody knew about it. Wall Street, the stock market looked like the Super Bowl. Like everybody was in tune. Everybody was trying to find out what's going on. What's up with this stock? This stock did this. Once the masses learned the type of returns that they could have made if they just had $1,000 invested in GameStop alone during that time. Like we was to do the math real quick for the beginners, the new people. I know some of you that already know exactly what the outcome would have been. But at $1,000 divided by, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, mama. So if you would have did $1,000 and you invested in GameStop, that would have been $1,000 and you invested at 15 bucks. That'd have been 66 GameStop shares, right? 66 $1,000. That's right. 66.6. 66 shares times $400. That's around its peak. So that means you would have turned $1,000 into $26,000 in a very, very short period of time. That would have changed millions of Americans' outlook on the market. Now let me go ahead and fast forward and tell you guys what would have happened though. Even if a lot of people would have put 1,000 in it, turned it to 30,000. The people that put 10,000 in it would have turned that into $250,000 in a short period of time. The thing about it is, I wish we all, I wish we could have made it. I wish that would have went like that. But a lot of those people would have lost that money and money that they already previously had saved up, being for the fact that they got it in the wrong way. I'm just being real with you guys, letting you guys know exactly what took place, how it go down, in my opinion. A lot of people would end up losing whatever they made in the AMC GME situation. That's why I tell you guys now, aim small, miss small. Don't take things so seriously now. Whatever you make or lose at the beginning of the stages of being involved in the market isn't really going to matter in the grand scheme of things, because you still trying to learn from experience. What you make or lose really ain't gonna matter, guys. So with that being said, now if you make $100,000, $200,000, $50,000, $30,000 from getting lucky in a trade and investment, you better take heed of what I'm about to say right now, because like I say, it still is not going to matter what you make at the beginning of or at the beginning. Because if you would have made $250,000 like that without the right proper knowledge and education of the market, now, if you would have took that money and ran from the market, kudos. You would have been one of the smartest people I ever came across, because you would have understood the type of level that you was on, and that you just looked up on that money. And if you use that money and put it into real estate, start a physical location, a physical business that could still go under, but you got a better chance of success doing that than taking that money that you looked up on the market without the proper tools and the knowledge of the market. If you looked on that money and try to put it back in the market and flip it some more, you will possibly end up losing that money and more, guys. So that's exactly what I'm trying to let you guys know. So anyways, if we go ahead and fast forward though to what we want to talk about. I know a lot of people is just in a position to where they wish they could get at least half of their money back. just to get some of their money back, to get all of their money back, and they'll be good. And some people just want some of their money back in a little something, and they'll be good. So that's crazy how people expectations go from that to trying just to get back this, to get back what they had. Because a lot of people expectations were so observed though, which was, you know, $100,000 a share, $50,000 a share, this, that, and a share. And, you know, like I've been telling you guys from the jump, I had good expectations, higher expectations than what we had seen, but I never expected outrageous, crazy things like that. So I know a lot of controversy has been, you know, thrown at me, being for the fact that I was one of the one that spoke my mind, you know, getting frustrated with the time stamp on this. And this is not a play that we all got involved in. And me, especially, personally, I didn't get involved in this play and put money on it and say, oh, this is going to make me millions of dollars. I guaranteed, I know that. No, I came in with the you know, with the intent of knowing that this is a community driven play. We all in this together. We came together collectively and doing basically what the hedge funds been doing, but doing it as the retail community and basically trying to hand it to them, stick it to them, and make money while doing it, while being a part of the community and doing something historical, different, and being along for the ride. So that's basically what it was. But after time and time, after a year, another year, another year, another year, something got to give. You just can't keep saying the same thing every single day and keep saying, oh, it's manipulated, it's this, it's that, you know, payment for order flow, you know, dark pools, all this stuff. Of course, that's going on. Y'all already know that. So why keep telling y'all that every single day? So anyways, but back to the core. Like I say, guys, I believe this whole meme stock retail investors, we here to stay. This meme stock thing, this is here to stay, guys. Even though it's kind of like stalled down for a bit, you know, died down for a bit. That's exactly what happens in any type of sector or area of the market that gets hot. In certain, you know, areas that, oh, now weed stocks going off. Oh, now EV sector going off. Oh, now tech stocks going off. Oh, now meme stocks going back off. So basically, we just in our consolidation period right now, letting somebody else have their shine before the shine come right back to us and meme stocks. But I do believe it's here to stay. It will rise and shine again, guys. But you definitely just, nobody knows exactly when that day of time is going to come, because nobody knows exactly how long a sector or a particular security is going to last in that consolidation period. So I don't believe it's dead. I don't think it's over just yet, guys. But I do believe you need to have a plan with whatever you get involved with, whether it's for fun, meme stocks, community driven, whether it's, you know, an asset or security that you did your homework on. Fundamentally, you know exactly, you know, what their revenue, their profits is, their outlook on the potential of the company looking into the future. You know, all these things, regardless, you got to have a plan. And a plan is knowing when you're getting in and knowing when you're getting out. So you already know what to do, guys. I love you. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP, and we